Hey, me and my messy hair salute you, wherever you are. So, did you go outside today? Did you have a walk under the sun, barefoot or not? Did you walk outside into your garden, or outside into the forest, or by the sea? So, why don't you do it right now? Especially if you feel sad or in despair or overwhelmed or drained and anxious. Just go outside, connect with nature, and just breathe. Breathe fresh air. Fill up your lungs with fresh oxygen. And just connect with nature. Nature is the best remedy for everything. So why don't you do it right now? Just go outside, wherever you are, whatever you have of nature close to you and available to you. It doesn't matter what that is. It's nature anyway. And connect with it and see what happens after that.